Today, we're walking through connecting your Dell laptop to a Targus docking station. This setup expands your connectivity options and creates a more organized workspace with a single cable solution. First, let's check compatibility. Your Dell laptop needs a USB-C or Thunderbolt port, which you'll find on Dell laptops manufactured from 2018 onwards. This includes XPS, Latitude, and Precision series models. Look for the USB-C ports on your laptop's side. These are the oval-shaped ports that support both data transfer and power delivery. Next, ensure your docking station's power adapter meets your laptop's requirements. Basic Dell laptops need at least 65 watts, while high-performance workstations may require up to 130 watts. Now for the physical connection. First, connect your docking station to power using the provided adapter. This ensures stable power delivery to your laptop. Next, use the provided USB-C or Thunderbolt cable to connect your laptop to the docking station. These cables are designed for both high-speed data transfer and power delivery. Once connected, Windows should automatically detect your docking station. You'll see your laptop charging and the connection established. If Windows doesn't immediately recognize all features, don't worry. We'll cover driver installation in the next section. Remember these key points. Verify your laptop has USB-C or Thunderbolt ports. Ensure your dock provides adequate power. Always connect the dock to power first and use the provided cables for optimal performance.